Families of loved ones at a new Westminster care home claim that in just 7 days, the facility has gone from 0 to 9 deaths due to COVID-19. The revelation comes just a day after City News spoke to a daughter of a care home resident here. She says it's a serious and shocking reminder of how quickly these outbreaks can escalate.
It's heartbreaking. It's scary to know that, what if I get that phone call?
Less than 24 hours after speaking with City News earlier this week, Nicola Diaz says she learned at a town hall meeting the number of deaths in her mother's care home, Royal City Manor, had jumped from 0 to 9.
A lot of fear that it was spreading so fast, so many people were dying. It seemed like a very large number for a small group of people and in a very short period of time. They updated us with the numbers of people who've gotten ill from COVID at Royal City Manor, and I think it's around 60 or 65. And they also made the unfortunate announcement that 9 residents had passed, which was shocking.
On Monday, BC's provincial health officer, Dr. Bonnie Henry, said once residents and staff in long-term care homes get their second dose of the COVID-19 vaccine, she'll consider easing visitor restrictions, something she hopes could happen by mid-March. But Jennifer Lyle with Safe Care BC warns the 2-month timeline can only be achieved if the community does its part as well, and says staff at care homes are doing everything in their power to try and control outbreaks.
The second an outbreak is declared in a care home, you've got this incredible flurry of activity. You've got public health coming in, you've got the rapid response teams coming in, you've got all this communication that needs to happen, both within the organization and outside to the family members, etc. At the same time, you're dealing with your own fears and anxieties.
Mike Klassen is with the BC Care Providers Association. He says rapid testing is one of a number of solutions the group is calling on the province to implement, as he keeps an eye on the number of outbreaks being declared in BC's care homes.
They're very easy to use, and we have about 1 million of them that were purchased by the federal government. So we're saying, let's get going on those rapid test programs. We've had a pilot going now for almost 7 weeks in Vancouver Coastal Health, and we can start launching these right across in care homes right across BC.
For Diaz, she continues to live in fear for her mother's well-being and is appealing to the public to do their part to mitigate the spread of the virus.
People are dying in my community. My mother is in danger. She's 2.5 kilometers, as you mentioned, last night away. We all have a part in this, and if we all step up, our numbers could drastically go down. Our danger could go down if people would just follow the suggested guidelines.
In New Westminster, Ashley Burr, City News.